Hi friends, today I'm going to talk to you about how to crack NEET and come around 40,000. Are you able to come among the 40,000? Know the fact? 13 lakh students, 40,000 medical seats and 50,000 reservation. It may pester you, but know the facts. You must get motivated, self-motivated to achieve it. Believe in yourself. You are the sole master of the result, and you are the one who is going to publish the result. And a question is to be asked to you: why should I be one among the 40,000? What are you doing to achieve this goal? I want to be one among these 40,000. How are you going to plan out things? These things are very important as far as cracking NEET is concerned. Are you going to have an extra edge over these 13 lakh students who are going to appear for NEET? If so, have these golden rules written in your heart and mind. I will study while others waste their time. I will work hard while others sleep. I will make the best use of my time when others play. I will fulfill my dreams when others are still dreaming. NEET is a competition. Nothing is enough here. You know that athletes, they go for practice morning, evening. Nice practice they undergo. Nice coaching they undergo. At the end, they get the medal. And this is something like that. NEET exam also is something like going for a race. And what is to be done here? If you want to achieve this NEET and the goal that you have envisaged, remember, you are going to do what I am going to do. So read as much as you can. Be optimistic. Always say, I'm going to achieve it, I'm going to crack NEET. Everything. Have an optimistic idea about your teachers, about your parents, about your school, about everything that is. So never entertain any negativism. And again, the next one that you should do you want to crack NEET with the 600 above? If you are able to crack NEET with 600 above, I'm sure you are going to be one among the 40,000. And what are the challenges that you are going to face? There are a lot of challenges. The vast syllables, numericals, killing once it comes to physics, no doubt about it. NCERT book, that is the main pillar of NEET exam. Negative marking is something which is going to pester you, and less seats. After 50% reservation, you should be one among 40,000 students. Are you ready to clear NEET in your first attempt itself? It is possible. Come on. Be with me for a while. Make sure that you have 150 answers correct. Then you get the crown. You can score well in biology, as biology and chemistry are rather easy. Every day try to spend 6.5 hours in your study. Once coaching is over, concentrate fully on learning aspect. Analyze your strength and optimize your weakness. Very important point. How do you do that? Analyze your strength and optimize your weakness. For example, if 19 chapters are there in physics, separate things that you know and things that you do not know. And concentrate much on things that you do not know. and spend more time and study well the things that you do not know. And this is the way that you are going to optimize the weakness. And time management is very, very important. So it is a child who decides how much time I must spend for studies. And a few days are left. If only a few months are left, please make sure you have got a pattern of study. You prepare a timetable which is very hectic. I would say which is very hectic. And for plus one students, you have an advantage. You have got around 720 days before the exam, NEET exam. And remember, you have 720 questions too. And it shows somehow it is a coincidence. 720 questions and 720 days for you to prepare for NEET. That is at your hand for the first years. For the second years, when you are at the last months, maybe 2 months before the exam, make sure that 80% of your time is spent for solving solved papers. 80% of time you spend for solving solved papers and 20% of your time for doubt clearance. And I'm sure if you study aggressively and you are going to say that I am going to get one among the 40,000 and it is going to happen. But ultimately, everything depends on your hard work. Biology and chemistry and physics, all these subjects purely depend on NCERT books. And in chemistry, you know that more questions comes from numericals, equations as well as derivations are to be very clear and you must by heart it. And physics, you know that another books, I would suggest another book for physics too, because extra reading is required and extra time is required for that. The book I would suggest is a USS book. And for chemistry and physics both, if you are able to get USS book, it will add color to you. And again, the coaching classes, the solved papers of previous years, everything is going to help you, no doubt. And remember, if you are able to follow a few things which I have informed you, I am sure you will be the winner and you will be the one among the 40,000, among the 15 lakhs or 13 lakh students who are going to enroll for the NEET. All the best. Dear friends, I would like to request you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. It is TPT blog and promote us and help us. Thank you.